First voltage, second voltage 5 volt, the third 3 volt always, and 3 volts on pin number 8 of the BIOS. Welcome to 100% practical video about motherboard main voltages and how to track the voltage without any schematic. So welcome guys, here we have a motherboard that we're gonna study, we're gonna check the motherboard voltages. Please note here that I use this kind of multimeter. Here HV or high voltage, this is a DC voltage, but because this multimeter can measure until 1000 DC volts, that's why we have here high voltage, means high DC voltage. But of course you can use it to check even 1 volt, 0.5 volt, no problem. The jack is plugged. Of course here we have the power jack. If we begin from here, of course we're gonna find here the main voltage. We have 19 volts. If you use a motherboard with 5 volts or 12 volt, you can use the same steps. So always check the voltage here in the input and locate inductors. Always you will find SMD inductors near the power jack. Check all inductors. It could be 2 inductors, it could be 1 inductor. Anyway, all inductors should hold the same voltage. If the voltage, the main voltage, is missing in the output or in the second part of any inductor, means the voltage will not be stable in the board. Of course, and then locate the switches. Always you will find 2 switches or MOSFETs. It could be 1 switch, it could be 2 switches. Of course, here for this switch we have 19 volt in the drain. These 4 pins, as you can see, are from drain. All pins hold, as you can see, 19 volts. Okay, and of course here we have the source. The 3 pins also here, as you can see, will hold 19 volt, as you can see. And over here we have the gate. It could be about 5 volt. This is good. Okay, so once we have 5 volt here, 19 volt will pass from this side to this side, and as I say to you, it could be 5 volts depending on the type of motherboard you troubleshoot. Of course, this mark means the source. Always pay attention. Here we have a point, or this white mark means the pin number 1 means the source. Okay, and this pin means gate, and over here we have drain. So here the same, we will get here 19 volt because this MOSFET is connected to this MOSFET over here. So we have 19 volt. So this is basically the source, 19 volt in all source pins, as you can see. And here the 4th pin is the gate. We have 5 volts. So also this MOSFET is activated, means the power or the main power will pass from this side to this side. Why? Because we have 5 volt in the gate. And then always we have the current sense resistor after the 2 switches. So if we check, we have 19 volt in both sides current sense resistor, and from this point the voltage will go to the CPU circuit, will go to the RAM circuit, will go to PCH, to 3 volt 5 volt circuit. From this point the voltage will be distributed to all circuits in the motherboard. So after checking the main voltage and the input circuit, you have to locate the 3 volt 5 volt circuit. This is the step number 2, because without these 2 voltages, 3.3 volt always and 5 volt always, nothing else will be generated in the motherboard. This is the source or the mother of all other voltages. So 3.3 volt and 5 volt. Of course you can check 5 volt here in this coil or also in these ceramic capacitors, because these ceramic capacitors are in the output for filtering. Same for 3.3 volt, you can check it here or here, no problem. And over here we have the BIOS. Always check the 3.3 volt in pin number 8 of the BIOS for beginner. Here we have pin number 1. Do you see this white mark or this dot? Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is pin number 8. Without 3.3 volts on the pin number 8 of the BIOS means nothing will work, because the BIOS should launch the program inside it as a first step before loading the Windows. And without 3.3 volts, the BIOS will not perform its job. I hope you understand these main voltages. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. And for anyone who wants more unique content, download free schematics, you can join my Patreon page. All links in the description. Thank you very much.